takeoff, service wind calm.
Correction, 8343.
From Juliet 1, runway 08, clear for takeoff, tweet for date for the later.
And start is approved, face west on Yankee.
Push out approved, face west, 10-6.
Mike RTX3080, are we still not here for push and start?
Mike Sierra 320, standby.
Roger.
Mike Sierra 320, stand 144, push and start is approved, face west.
Push and start approved, face west, Mike RTX3080.
Air France 1140, ready to taxi.
Air France 1140, taxi holding point Juliet 7, runway 08 right, via Romeo and 08 left.
Taxi to holding point Juliet 7 via Romeo and runway 08 left, Air France 1140.
KLM67 heavy ready for taxi.
KLM 67, standby hold position.
Mike RTX3080, ready for taxi instructions.
38 Charlie Delta, contact London Control 135.8.
135,
Yeah,
that's made, tweet for date for the later, thank
taxi
you.
on Juliet for holding point Juliet 4, runway 08 right.
Taxi to Juliet, holding point Juliet 4 to runway 08 right.
Easyjet A320 is ready.
Seabird 8343, stand 25, correction. Correction, sorry, Speedbird 8343, push and start approved, face west.
Push and start approved, face west, and we're at stand 28, Seabird 8343.
Hello, Gatwick Ground Air Transport 185. We are at the cargo area. We have information India on board. We have an IFR to Lisbon ready to copy.
Eurotrans 185, Gatwick Ground, good morning, stand by, I'll call you back.
Gatwick Ground, Tango Mike Mike. Are you running multiple frequencies? Do you just want to give us clearance over text?
Tango Mike Mike, stand by, I will call you back. Just bear with me, I've got a little bit of a queue going on.
Okay.
Mike Sierra 320, contact Gatwick Tower 124225, bye-bye.
Mike Sierra 320, contact tower at 124225, goodbye.
Air France 1140, just a question. I have to taxi on the runway 08 left Alfa Romeo, is that right?
Air France 1140, A firm 08 left is an inactive runway, so yes, you can taxi down it.
Air France 1140, yes, thank you.
KLM 67, Gatwick Ground.
Go ahead, Graham.
KLM 67, taxi holding point Yankee 3, and then contact Gatwick Tower 124225.
Taxi Yankee 3, then Tower 124225.
Air France 1140, contact Gatwick Tower 124.225, bye-bye.
Contact Gatwick Tower on 124.225, Air France 1140, thank you, bye-bye.
Holding short at
Tango Mike Mike, Gatwick Ground.
KLM 67, Gatwick Tower, good morning, hold Yankee 3.
Holding Yankee 3,
Tango Mike Mike, have you clearance, are you ready to copy?
Ready to copy, Tango Mike Mike. London, good morning.
Mike Sierra 320, Gatwick Tower.
320 to Galta.
Easyjet A320 London Control, Elvis 1 Mike, Manchester, squawk 21,
You've gone a bit too far on your taxi, you should hold short and low visibility. From Juliet 1, runway 08 right, clear takeoff, service wind calm.
Clear for takeoff, runway 08 right, Mike Sierra 320.
Easyjet A320 redirect to Elvis. Direct to Elvis, thanks, Easy A320.
Bravo Lima 93 on the max hit.
London Control, good day, tweet with 8, Charlie Delta, passing flight level 130, climbing 170.
Bravo Lima 93, thank you.
Easyjet A320 Delta, London Control, redirect to Redford, climb flight level 330.
190.
Direct Redford, thank you, and climb flight level 330, tweet with 8, Charlie Delta.
London Control, very good morning, November 5255, Romeo 172 on the ground, shore on 1039, request taxi IFR please to Al Street.
Tower 255, Romeo London, hello to you. Is IFR your routing, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Tower 2525, oh that's confusing, November 5255, Romeo, roger. Runway 02 is in use, secure H1039, SAL approved, just give me a call for taxi.
021039, Wilco, November 5255, Romeo.
Sky's 505, call Gatwick 126825, okay. Call Gatwick Skies 505, thank you, bye. Bravo Lima 93, route direct to Hardy.
Redirecting to Hardy, Bravo Lima 93.
And Ryanair 755, hello.
Ryanair 755, London Control, report your level, squawk 6472.
Ryanair 755 is squawk 6472. At flight level 350 at Mach is 0.787.
Ryanair 755, Roger, Vatsim 1 Golf arrival to Gatwick.
Bravo Lima 93, contact London, 127.
Roger that.
825.
Can you read it back, please?
London.
Oh, the arrival is Vatsim 1 Golf arrival.
Thank you.
Bravo Lima 93, can you just repeat that, please? AFM 127,
London, good morning, Ryanair 28 Fox, holding Juliet 1 Watcher.
Ryanair 28 Fox, London Control, runway 23 right, clear for takeoff, service wind 190 degrees, 4 knots. November 5255, Romeo, request taxi.
November 5255, Romeo taxi, holding point Alpha 1, runway 03 via Alpha.
Taxi Alpha 102 via Alpha, November 55, Romeo. Easyjet Yankee Tango, nothing further, 102 to go, 122 decimal, take it, mate.
Roger, you come like 122.8, easy. It's Yankee Tango, thanks mate, all the best.
Bravo Lima 93, flight level 155 to 190 on the Hardy waypoint. Bravo Lima 93.
Bravo Lima 93, Roger, climb, info disregard.
Sorry, can you repeat that, Bravo Lima 93?
Just Roger. Ryanair 755, when ready to send flight level 130, level by altitude.
When ready, level descend to 130.
Under control, Gen-X 8 Delta Foxtrot, Comjet.
Readability 5.
Thank you.
Ryanair 28 Fox, report passing level.
Passing 3,500 feet, Ryanair 28 Fox.
Ryanair 28 Fox, climb now, flight level 370.
370, Ryanair 28 Fox.
Good morning,
Control, good morning, November 701 Mike Bravo, St Manchester.
409, good morning, climb now.
Juliet 1, runway 23 right.
November 701 Mike Bravo, London Control, runway 23 right, clear for takeoff, surface wind 190 degrees, 4 knots.
Clear takeoff 23 right, November 1 Mike Bravo.
Ryanair 28 Fox, redirect to exam up.
Exam up, Ryanair 28 Fox, solid.
Bravo Lima 93, just confirm you are direct to Hardy.
Yes, confirmed. Direct to Hardy, Bravo Lima 93.
Bravo Lima 93, Roger, it's, okay, turn right heading 170 degrees up.
Heading 170 degrees, Bravo Lima 93.
November 5255 Romeo Alpha 1 ready for departure.
London Control, Channel 8 Delta Foxtrot.
5255 Romeo Roger, after departure 02 and noise abatement.
Channel 8 Delta Foxtrot on stand 11, 737-800, information Foxtrot requesting RFL clearance to Edinburgh.
PDC sent.
Say again?
I've sent you a PDC.
02, noise abatement, start Mayfield in the climb 2,000 feet, taking our terrain clearance and squawk 4311 November 5255 Romeo.
5255 Romeo, it's all correct. 02 clear takeoff, the surface wind is 3605 and RVR to the northeast, or visibility to the northeast 600 metres.
Clear takeoff 02, that's all copies, correction November 55.
Gatwick Airport, hello, Air France 1140 with you at flight level 70.
Air France 140, hello, climb now, flight level 170.
You climb to flight level 170, Air France 1140.
Jet 8 Charlie Delta, nothing further, Monarch Unicom, 1 TT decimal 8, bye-bye.
Unicom put with 8 Charlie Delta, thank you, bye-bye.
London November 1 Mike Bravo's passing 1700 for 5000 November 1 Romeo.
November 1 Mike Bravo, thanks. Honolulu 1 Charlie, arrival for City, climb flight level 190.
Honolulu 1 Charlie for City and climb now flight level 190, November 1 Mike Bravo.
Bravo Lima 903, route direct to Exidil.
Roger that, redirect to Exidil, Bravo Lima 93.
Speedbird 19 Whiskey request, descent for Newquay, please.
Speedbird 19 Whiskey, descent flight level 200.
Descent flight level 200, Speedbird 19 Whiskey.
Ryanair 755, contact London, 135 decimal 8, bye-bye.
135 decimal 8, bye-bye.
Speedbird 19 Whiskey, descend flight level 100, landing is runway 12.
Descend flight level 100 and confirm 12 for the landing runway.
Confirm.
Thanks, flight level 100 and runway 12, Speedbird 19 Whiskey.
I'm more than happy giving you a straight in for runway 32, but only if you're able to accept a 6 knot tailwind.
Air France 1140, call London. No, runway 12 is great. Speedbird 19 Whiskey.
Okay. London Control, hello, Air France 1140 with you at flight level 170.
Air France 1140, London Control, climb flight level 230.
Climb to 230, Air France 1140.
November 1 Mike Bravo, can you accept flight level 220 for the cruise?
London November 1 Mike Bravo, just confirm...
Ryanair 755 is descending to flight level 1.
Yeah, flight level 220.
AFM 220 will be good, please.
Ryanair 755 Mike Bravo, climb flight level 220, canopy now direct to Oddvod.
Climb me 210 for some, mate.
Roger, climb flight level 220 and just confirm the direct, please.
Oddvod.
Roger, direct Oddvod and now climb flight level 230, November 1 Mike Bravo.
Easyjet A320 Echo, redirect to Trent.
Direct to Trent, Easyjet A320 Echo.
7002 Papa, nothing further, monitor Unicom 122.8, bye-bye.
122.8, thanks a lot again, 7002 Papa.
Speedbird 19 Whiskey, leaving controlled airspace in 10 miles, it'll be a traffic service outside.
What's your traffic service on leaving controlled airspace, Speedbird 19 Whiskey?
Speed 479, monitor Unicom 1228.
228, 479.
Full control to Nico 5768, flight level 300, inbound, Subi.
Right,
5768, under control is to undug when they thunder, arrival for Luton, squawk 4044.
Squawk 404, can you say the second arrival? We go 5768.
343, undug 1 November 70.
Undug 1 November for Luton, we go 5768.
Easyjet A320 Tango Echo, expect flight level 200, level 25 before Trent. When ready, descend flight level 230.
When ready, down to 230, and we'll expect 225 before Trent, Easyjet A320 Tango Echo.
Air France 1140, then nothing further, monitor Unicom 122.8, bye-bye.
Monitor 122.8, Air France 1140, thank you, bye-bye.
November 5355,
nothing further, monitor Unicom 122.8, bye-bye.
12 traffic service, November 5255, Romeo.
November 5255, Romeo,
5768, descend flight level 200.
1040, November 5255, Romeo.
Speedbird 19 Whiskey, turn right 10 degrees.
Right 10, Speedbird 19 Whiskey.
Speedbird 19 Whiskey, traffic service, descend flight level 70.
November 252, November 525, Romeo, looking for a higher altitude, or are you happy at 2000?
2000 works for us at the moment, thanks, November 5255.
Copy. Speedbird 8343, 8343, further climb now on Unicom 1228, goodbye.
Continue climb on Unicom, Speedbird 8343, thank you very much for the service today.
Okay, right, 755, contact Gatwick 126.
Speedbird 19 Whiskey, recall B on 133.4.
126.825. 133.4, Speedbird 19 Whiskey, thanks. Speedbird 19 Whiskey is on frequency.
Speedbird 19 Whiskey, thank you. Speedbird 19 Whiskey, approximately 60 miles until touchdown.
Roger, Speedbird 19 Whiskey.
Easyjet A320 Tango Echo, when ready, descend flight level 200, level 25 before Trent.
When ready, descend flight level 225 before Trent, Easyjet A320 Tango Echo. Landing control,
Wizgo 5768, check your selected level. Cleared level is flight level 200. I'm indicating you 400 feet below.
Copy that, Wizgo.
Tango Mike Alpha. Sorry, Tango Mike, good morning to you. Roger. Are you looking for any higher than 3,000, or is that your requested level?
We're happy with 6,000. That'll be fine. I'll set on our departure chute. Tango Mike.
Roger, you're currently at 4,300. Which altitude would you like?
6,000, thank you.
I'm sorry, you're unreadable. Just say again.
6,000, thank you. 6000.
Roger, thank you.
Chenix 8 Delta Foxtrot 737 800 on stand 11 at East Midlands. Request push and start.
10x8 Delta Foxtrot, push and start approved, runway 27.
Push and start approved, runway 27.
Remember 5255, just to avoid Gatwick controlled airspace, continue on your present heading.
On the present heading, and we'll remain outside controlled airspace, November 5255.
So I'll go back to you just to the east of it anyway, and then give you landborne shortly.
Roger.
November 1 Mike Bravo, just double check your selected level. Cleared level is flight level
1050 Zulu. Runway in use 23 right, transition level, flight level 55, surface wind 190 degrees 4 knots, varying between 150 and 250 degrees, visibility 10 kilometers or more, broken 4,400 feet, temperature +6, dew point +3, QNH1039, threshold QFE 1030. Acknowledge receipt of information Delta and advise aircraft type on first contact.
Ground Skyways 125 already for taxi runway 23 right.
Skyways 1254, taxi holding point Juliet 1, runway 23 right, via Golf and Juliet.
Taxi hold Juliet 1, Golf, Juliet, Skyways 1254.
Skyways 1254, London Control is about to go offline, so no further ATC I'm afraid. 102 Unicom 122.8, bye-bye.
Unicom 122.8, thanks sir, goodbye.
Speedbird 123, ready for taxi.
Speedbird 123, taxi holding point Juliet 1, runway 23 right, via November Charlie, Echo, Delta, Papa, Kilo, and Juliet.
Can you send it to me on text, please? Speedbird 123.
Speedbird 123, no problem, I'll send that now. Speedbird 123, that's sent through. If you're unsure at any point, just hold position and call me and I can assist.
Skyways 1254, line up and take off to the right.
Oh, I'm sorry. So, taxi holding point 923 Juliet 1 via November Charlie, Echo, Delta, Papa, Kilo, and Juliet. Speedbird 123.
Speedbird 123, thank you.
Speedbird 123, I see an Easyjet. Easyjet.
Speedbird 123, I didn't copy that message. Speedbird 123, you're on Echo now, so continue straight ahead, then Echo will turn right and you'll go on to Delta. Speedbird 123, just turn right there and then it's the first left to pick up Juliet. Speedbird 123, just right turn there and then immediately left onto Juliet.
Ground hello, Easy A3 Tango Echo, indicated Bravo Delta.
Easy A3 Tango Echo, welcome to Manchester, taxi stand 26 via Alpha, Delta, Echo, November Charlie and Romeo.
Alpha Delta, November Charlie and Romeo for 26, Easy A3 Tango Echo.
Manchester Tower, good day, Airbus Industry 888, A321 at stand 901 with information echo requesting IFR clearance to London Stansted, flight level 310.
Airbus Industry 888, Manchester Ground, good afternoon. There's a flight level cap on that route. Are you able flight level 190?
Able 190.
Thank you. Airbus Industry 888, cleared Stansted, Sandbar 1 Romeo departure, squawk 7304.
Airbus 888 is cleared to London Stansted Airport via Sandbar 1 Romeo departure, squawk 7304.
Airbus Industry 888, read back correct. I've updated the flight level in your flight plan. New QNH 1038.
1038 and Flight level 190, Airbus 888.
No takeoff. No takeoff. No takeoff. No takeoff. No takeoff. No takeoff. No takeoff.
Airbus 888, request push and start.